346 people. That's how many lives went dark. Not because some flaw slipped through the cracks, but because Boeing, allegedly knew and decided to keep it quiet. October 29th, 2018. Lion Air Flight 610 lifts off from Jakarta. 189 people on board. 13 minutes later, it's gone, straight into the Java Sea. This is the Boeing 737 MAX. A slick update to a classic, built to go head-to-head with Airbus and keep airline costs down. How'd they save cash? By skipping pricey pilot retraining. Boeing promised it'd be a breeze to jump into the MAX. But that promise? It had a hidden price tag. So they added this new system, MCAS. Basically, its job was to shove the nose down if it thought things were getting dicey. Thing is, they made MCAS way more sensitive during development. A tiny detail they definitely didn't spill, even to the pilots who were going to fly it. Turns out, this system could be yanked into action by just one sensor. A single point of failure leading to total disaster. Just 5 months after the Lion Air crash, another gut punch. March 10th, 2019. Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 takes off from Addis Ababa. 157 people on board. 6 minutes out, the plane goes down. No one makes it. 2 crashes, same plane model, almost exactly the same horrific story. The world finally pays attention. And just like that, the Boeing 737 MAX is grounded everywhere. Never happened with a modern jet like this before. The investigations kicked off. And what they found was pretty grim. A company that put churning out planes and saving bucks way ahead of safety and being straight up honest. One report from the House Transportation Committee even called it a culture of concealment. Basically, Boeing put beating the competition over making sure the plane was safe. That report also pointed fingers at the FAA. They let Boeing get away with too much, not digging deep enough into the MAX's design changes. This wasn't just a few corners cut. The Department of Justice later said Boeing employees straight up lied to the FAA about a key part of MCAS. And the reason? Simple. Avoid making airlines pay for pilot training. Keep the MAX looking cheap and easy, even if it meant hiding the truth about that twitchy new flight system. So, January 2021, Boeing settles with the DOJ. They cough up more than $2.5 billion. The charge? Conspiracy to defraud the US government, all tied up in how they dealt with the FAA's aircraft evaluation group and the MCAS system. That's a massive chunk of change. But for the families of those 346 people, real accountability? That's still up in the air. The name Boeing used to mean incredible engineering. Now, it often feels like a symbol of corporate greed, where profits mattered more than people's lives.